Welcome back to the channel, and this is how you can voice call on Bumble. First of all, go to the Bumble app, then go to the chat section. Now open the chat of the person that you want to voice call. Since it's a dummy account, I don't have any matches and no chats, so I can't show you the exact steps, but it's pretty easy to understand. After opening the chat of that specific person, you will find options of a video call and voice call on the top of your screen. The two icons are pretty similar to the icons that we are familiar with on other social media platforms. So if you want to voice call someone, tap on that specific voice call icon. It will now redirect you to the voice call feature and you can talk with that specific person. So in this way you can easily voice call anyone that you have matched with on the Bumble dating app. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for future videos.